Welcome back to Product Critique,
your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest tech gadgets and automotive accessories. Today, we've got something special for all the Subaru enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of OBD2 diagnostic cables, specifically tailored for Subaru vehicles. So buckle up as we explore the features and benefits of the Washinglee OBD2 diagnostic cable. Now, if you're a Subaru owner, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools for diagnosing and maintaining your vehicle. That's where the Washinglee OBD2 diagnostic cable comes into play.
This isn't just any ordinary cable, folks.
It's the best Subaru OBD2 cable available in the market, and today, we're going to find out why.
Let's start with compatibility.
This cable isn't just limited to Subarus. It's also compatible with BMW E-Series vehicles. Whether you own a Subaru or a BMW, this cable has you covered. It allows for full diagnostics of cars from 1998 to 2008 and supports various models, including E60, E61, E70, E81, E83, E87, E90, E1, E92, E93, and R56. One of the standout features of this cable is the K+ DCAN functionality. With a push-button switch, you can easily switch between K and DCAN modes, giving you flexibility and convenience during diagnostics.
Plus, the green circuit board ensures reliability and durability, making it a must-have tool for any serious car enthusiast or mechanic. Now, let's talk about supported protocols.
The Washinglee OBD2 diagnostic cable supports fast magisterial DCAN and PT CAN, ensuring high-speed communication with your vehicle's onboard systems. It also supports slow magisterial K-CAN and is compatible with the standard BMW protocol, making it versatile and reliable for all your diagnostic needs. But wait, there's more. This cable isn't just compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It also works seamlessly with various diagnostic software. Whether you're using ISTA, ISTA+, Rheingold, EDIABAS, NCS Expert, DIS, Progman, iCarly, Carly, Rheingold, Flash, MHD, ECS, XHP, SSS, or any other compatible software, this cable has got you covered. To wrap it up, the Washinglee OBD2 diagnostic cable is the ultimate tool for Subaru owners and BMW enthusiasts alike. With its wide compatibility, K+ DCAN functionality, support for multiple protocols, and seamless integration with diagnostic software,
it's a game-changer in the world of automotive diagnostics.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and informative content. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for our next review. Thanks for watching.